In this video, I am going to show you how to convert PDF to Word without any extra software. Open Microsoft Word. On the home page, drag and drop your PDF. Now you can edit this PDF. Again, if you want this file somewhere else on PDF format, come to File, Save As. I want to save it on desktop. Save as type, select PDF or any type you want. Then write one name. Save. Now it is available here, newanalyzewith.com. If this method is not work for you, open your favorite browser, search for PDF editor. Here is a different website for editing the PDF. You can use anyone you want. Have a good time. See you soon.